Hey everyone, Frank from the Old Town Coleman Center. Do you know what this is? This is an oil filter wrench for a large diesel engine. Why is it in a Coleman video? Well, hold on and I'll tell you. So check this out. So this idea comes from Keith in Reseda, California. Keith is a diesel mechanic and this is his oil filter wrench. He says he's used it numerous times for lanterns and it works really good. He said if you put it on a table, it would probably work really well. So I thought about it for a few days and this is what I came up with. I just took a little piece of wood about 1 inch square and I put a couple bolts through it and I screwed to it a piece of cheap 2-inch strapping, and then I cut a mortise in this cheap piece of plywood and I can set this down in that little hole there, and there's my table, and I put this on the bench vise and there's our table, and here's the clamp. Now to get the clamp to work, all you have to do is turn this in whatever direction you'll be turning your wrench. So for instance, I'm turning this counterclockwise, which means I'm going to be loosening something. So we'll just put this 220D back up here. Okay, I got it wrapped around the fount and I'm going to be turning it counterclockwise, which means I'll be loosening something. So now I could take a wrench and I could turn and continue to turn this, and it will hold the lantern for me while I turn it. Similarly, if I wanted to tighten that down now, what I would do is just take my strap and just like I was tightening it up, keep turning around, put the lantern in it. Okay, now you would be able to use this to hold it, and you can just tighten it down and it'll hold it nice and tight for you. Well, Keith, thank you very much for sending me your oil filter wrench. I will put the plans up on my website at oldtowncoleman.com. I hope you also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. And until next time, keep them burning.